Hey everyone, welcome back to Dazola Designs. Look what I have for you today. I totally forgot I had this yarn. I am organizing my yarn room, quote unquote, and I completely forgot I had this yarn, so I thought I would give away this set. This is absolutely gorgeous, Casey Willow. But let me show you what I've been doing. Here is all of my bags of yarn just here. They were actually in a corner. That is the Mother's Day giveaway. If you guys have not entered that, please enter that. It's a huge box of yarn. Like, that's all yarn. So I've been organizing my shelves. This is left over from when I had the daycare. It's actually kind of bittersweet that I'm doing this because I'm clearing out all of my, this used to be the playroom for my daycare, and now yarn's taking it over. So here is all this. I actually have another one of these. They didn't have, I wanted to get one of these, the double one, but I got these at IKEA and they didn't have any. But this is my yarn. This is the Pokemon yarn, which I have yet to do. This is all the Lily Sugar and Cream. And then, like, it's not just the front, it's the back is also filled. This is my Hobie cotton yarn. This is all my Hobie cakes. Kind of crazy. I actually have another bag filled with Hobie yarn. Those are my books. I actually have more books. That's a little bin. So I'm just organizing. I don't know yet. I mean, it's kind of slowly coming together. Yeah. So that's what I've been doing, kind of in between everything else. It's coming together and I'm super, super excited. Just some announcements. This is like, remember the morning announcements, and I remember morning announcements in school. This is kind of like what I do, I guess. International people, hello, from the United States. I just received a package today. A customer, or not a customer, Gal Juan. She didn't give me her last name, so I sent it off, and it was returned to me, unfortunately. So please, you have to give your first and last name to me in order for me to send your giveaway prizes. I did not know that. Unfortunately, it was returned to me, and now I have to pick a new winner because, yeah. So it is pretty expensive for me to send international, and it's a service that I offer. Maybe I need to rethink that, but I really don't want to. So please, first and last name. If you don't feel comfortable giving me your first and last name, then please, please, please do not enter. Okay? Let's make it fun for everyone. I hate to be a downer. Also, my next live will be Saturday, May 29th at, I believe, noon, possibly 11 a.m. I have not nailed down the date, but Saturday, May 29th in the United States, that is Memorial Day weekend. So maybe I will have a cocktail. Who knows? Okay, here we go. We got that out of the way. So this giveaway is for 6 skeins of the KC Willow yarn, and these colors are so gorgeous. The yarn is actually very, very unique. It goes to a really thin to like a textured. It's super textured and super, super gorgeous. Do you see that? It's really, really cool. Again, this is the KC Willow. It's 100% acrylic, and each skein is 128 yards. And it also requires a 5.5 millimeter hook, which you could probably get away with, I would say, a 4. This would make a gorgeous shawl. That just came to me. So it has, we have the off-white cream color, We have the really pretty turquoisey color. This color I love, the teal and the salmon color together. Look at how gorgeous that is. And then these two are pretty together. These two are gorgeous together. And these two are gorgeous together. You have a dark gray and you have a rose color. Another thing I wanted to mention, you guys are journeying with me today. So for those of you who voted in the tunic, I put a pick my next tutorial. The third tunic, the yellow tunic, won, and I'm going to be crocheting it with this. The New Boulan, it's a line brand. I've never used this before, but I absolutely love this color, and I absolutely love how this feels. So I will be starting that tutorial soon, and hopefully you guys have seen my mosaic dishcloth tutorial. That one is super spectacular. So let's get back to this giveaway. I'm sorry, I'm kind of scatterbrained all over the place. I just wanted to tell you all that. So here's what you have to, the question you have to answer. Just answer down below and you will be entered to win these 6 skeins of KC Willow yarn. Speaking of beverages, what is your favorite beverage? What's your favorite beverage? Comment below. My favorite beverage, of course, number 1 would be water. Second favorite, probably Tito's. Tito's vodka. Maybe tied for second would be Tito's and like a nice rosé in the summertime. So delicious. Tequila, throw tequila in there. Herradura has always been my favorite. What's your favorite? Let me know. Also, a great beer is really good. I used to drink a lot of Budweiser when I lived in the Midwest, but now I really like the brewery beers. Unfortunately, the breweries have been closed around here, so I can't wait for them to open up again. Let me know down below, and you will be entered to win this fabulous giveaway with these gorgeous colors. I hope you all are doing very well, and thank you so much for watching my videos and listening to me ramble on and on. But I'm having fun, and I hope you are too. And we will talk to each other in the next video. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.